What does suggested for you mean on Instagram? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about what does suggested for you mean on Instagram. So let me just show you by the example. So when I head over to my notification sections, and as you can see, when you scroll down, you see there are a lot of people being suggested to you. So that means either they are for your friends on your Facebook, or you have them on your contacts, or you both follow the similar person, just like that. So there can be these three reasons basically why Instagram is showing these persons to you. So basically, if Instagram thinks that those conditions meet, then it will show you all about those people whom you follow. Just like this here is one example as well. Because this person is my probably my friend on Facebook or something like that, then it will automatically pop up here just like this, like saying you might know him or her, just like that. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.